Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best pipe threading tool is probably one of the most indispensable tools for anyone working with pipes. Whether you're a seasoned plumber or a DIY enthusiast, having the right pipe threading tool can make all the difference in achieving secure and leak-proof connections. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of pipe threading tools, exploring their types, functions, and what you should consider before making a purchase. Number 5. Manual Threader Die Head 3634500R1, 2:1 Nepal time. This is a manual threader die head. It's designed for threading purposes. This tool is essential for various threading tasks. The model number is 36345. This specific model ensures precision and reliability. It's a key component for your threading needs. This threader die head handles sizes from 1/2 to 1 inch NPT. It's versatile and can accommodate different threading requirements. This makes it suitable for a range of projects. This product is used for two-piece threading dies. It's designed to work specifically with this type of die. This ensures a secure and accurate threading process. This product is manufactured in the United States. It represents quality and durability. You can trust its performance for your projects. What we like. This manual threader is perfect for those who prefer hands-on control. Its alloy construction ensures durability, and the two-piece dies make it versatile for various threading tasks. If you are looking for a reliable tool for occasional use or in situations where power is limited, this is a great choice. What people say. Works flawlessly and the die, 1/2, still feels and cuts like new. The 3, 4 and 1 dies worked excellent, cut around 20 of each size. Es una herramienta sólida y precisa. Number 4. RIDGID 12 or Ratcheting Pipe Threader Set. Introducing the RIDGID 12 or Ratcheting Pipe Threader Set. This set makes threading pipe and conduit quick and easy. It utilizes individual die heads for each pipe size and a manually operated ratchet. The set includes ductile cast iron die heads. It has sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inches. Each size fits in the ratchet without any additional pieces. The kit comes with a rugged carrying case. The case keeps all the die heads organized. It features labeled compartments for easy identification. This is a complete pipe threading kit. It includes die heads, a ratchet assembly, a ratchet handle, alloy dies, and a carrying case. This ensures organized use on any job site. This tool is purpose-built for professionals. It's designed for those in commercial, industrial, and energy markets. It's perfect for installing and maintaining infrastructure. What we like. This set's ratcheting mechanism makes threading pipes quick and easy. It comes with multiple die heads for different pipe sizes, and everything is neatly organized in a carrying case. If you have a variety of pipe sizes to work with and value efficiency and organization, this set will be your best friend. What people say. Nice set at a great price. Put them to work immediately and they worked as expected. If you're looking to thread pipe, RIDGID is the way to go. Heavy duty, worked well on multiple pipes. Number 3. DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max * Pipe Threader Kit. Introducing the DEWALT FLEXVOLT 60V Max * Pipe Threader Kit. This kit is designed to provide cordless power for demanding applications. It offers a convenient solution without the need for power cords. The high-performance brushless motor delivers FLEXVOLT power. It ensures long runtime, allowing you to work efficiently on various projects. This feature enhances the tool's overall performance. The anti-rotation e-clutch system is a perform and protect trade feature. It increases user control, providing a safer and more manageable experience. This system is designed to enhance user safety. It comes with a 9.0 Ah oil-resistant glass-filled nylon battery. The battery is housed in a latched and sealed battery box for protection. This design ensures durability and reliability. The kit includes a patent-pending pipe clamp depth gauge. This feature allows for quick setup, saving you time and effort. It ensures precise and efficient threading. Use the clamp with die arm for no direct contact with die head to start threads. This design enhances the ease of use. It helps to start threads easily. What we like. This tool offers the convenience of cordless power, allowing you to work without being tethered to an outlet. The e-clutch system enhances user control, and the oil-resistant battery is designed for demanding applications. If you are looking for a powerful and portable solution for pipe threading, this is the one. What people say. Tested on largest pipe threads to have no problems with operation and battery life. It definitely cuts the pipe and makes it for threads. Portable and powerful for a cordless tool. Number 2. RIDGID 364812 or Ratchet Threader Set. Introducing the RIDGID 364812 or Threader Set. This set is designed for efficient pipe threading. It's a reliable tool for various plumbing tasks. This set features a ratcheting mechanism for ease of use. It allows for quick and precise threading of pipes. This feature makes the job much easier. The threader set handles pipe sizes from 1/2 inch to 1 to 1/4 inch NPT. It provides versatility for different projects. It is suitable for a wide range of applications. The set includes 2-piece threading dies. These dies ensure accurate and clean threads. They are essential for creating secure pipe connections. This product is proudly manufactured in the United States. It reflects the quality and craftsmanship of American manufacturing. You can trust its durability. What we like. This threader features a ratcheting mechanism for ease of use and a compact size for maneuverability. The 2-piece dies ensure versatility for different threading needs. If you like a tool that is easy to handle and suitable for a range of projects, this is a great option. What people say. Easy to use with a good storage case. This worked perfect for rethreading my house main, which was in a ditch where the short arc ratcheting capability made the job possible. The dies are supported and aligned from one end by a hole just large enough to fit the sized pipe you are threading. Number 1. RIDGID 300 Power Drive Pipe Threading Machine. This machine accurately centers and grips pipes for efficient cutting and threading. It ensures clean and precise results every time. The kit comes with everything you need: a power drive, stand, carriage, reamer, cutter, die heads, and oiler. It's a comprehensive solution for your threading needs. Operating at 38 revolutions per minute, this machine features a reversible 1.2 HP motor. This provides consistent performance and the flexibility you need for various tasks. Perfect for both threading and roll grooving, the carriage securely holds threading tools. It smoothly glides on heavy-duty support bars. Designed for easy setup, it features a stand with a locking tray, folding legs, and transport wheels. This makes it convenient to move around. What we like. This power drive machine offers rapid and efficient threading with its powerful motor. It comes as a complete kit with everything you need, and it's versatile enough for both threading and roll grooving. If you are looking for a professional-grade tool that can handle a variety of tasks, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Quality product. Good quality, fast shipment, just as described. Great machine. Top-notch RIDGID quality. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.